There's one. A torpedo. Oh, shoot. I got somebody else's fishing line. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another fishing adventure here on the channel. We are still here in the great state of Alaska on the last frontier. And no, if you're asking, I did not steal this jacket from the Gordon's Fisherman. So let me just get that out of the way. This is my jacket. I didn't steal that from him at all. So we are still fishing here in Alaska, and this is day 2 of our trip here in 2020. As you guys can see behind me, it's a little misty and a little foggy today. And you know what? The fish are acting a little funky today. They're all just jumping up in the air, jumping up out of the water. It's been a weird morning. Like, every fish has just decided to jump. We're here. The mist isn't going to stop us. I've fished in downpours before, so this is no big deal. Got our jackets on. Trust the Gordon's Fisherman jacket. And we're just gonna do a little fishing and see if we can't get these fish to jump right on our stringer. There's one. Oh, he's all spawned out in red. Oh my, he's jumping. All spawned out. Wow, look at the color on him. Nice looking color. Nice color. This is going in a circle. Hang on. Wow. There's one. A torpedo. Oh, shoot. I got somebody else's fishing line. Wow. Wow, that's real. There's one. I got it. I bank it. Oh, nope, he's gone. It's gone. The hook came out and it was gone. Oh, that's a good looking fish too. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. That is a fish. Good one, babe. He may jump again. Nice fish. That's a picture one right there. We'll wash him. Your hat's blocking your face, but there's one. He's just jumping all over the place. Second time's a charm. Oh, we're bleeding. There's one. Oh my. We call this Fred. Hi, Fred. It's real. It's pretty much done, I think, after this season. Oh, there he flips. Man, I just got a bunch of jumpers today. Good one. Nice fish. Ooh, a little too close for me. All right, let's go down. Come on, fish. We're just gonna net him the bass backwards way. This is the worst net job ever, but whatever. I don't know how else to describe that. That was all kinds of shenanigans right there. I don't think I've netted a fish ever that way. I got it. Nice job.
Thank you.
Oh, now he knows he's on. Good hook set. Good job. Wow. Upper lip. Nice job. That rockfish. Wow. Terrible net job. Oh, why did you curl up in the pond? Oh, there's one. Oh, he's jumping. Oh my. They're all jumping. Holy cow. It's just doing barrel flips now. Hot diggity. Barrel flips. Oh my. Just doing flip after flip. Oh, he flipped right into the net. That's one. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Nice job, babe. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a giant. Giant, giant, giant. That's a good one. Giant. There you go. There you go. That's good. He's stopping. Good fish. Yeah? There you go. Reel. There you go. Just get him right here. Oh, yeah. Nope. Worst net job you can get, but I think I got him. Oh, now the net's stuck on the thing. There you go. Been fishing in Alaska for a handful of years, and the last few years have been really good. It's been super sunny up here, but this is the first time I've actually had to bust out the rain jacket because it's actually been misty and rainy today. But no worries, we're gonna just keep on fishing. You know, my wife's hooked a couple of beauties today, and they've just been jumping out of the water. It's been an interesting day of fishing. You know, every time we hook a fish, they just seem to want to jump out of the water, and for whatever reason, you know, they're jumping right on our stringers. And no, I did not steal this jacket from the Gordon's Fisherman, for those of you that are going to ask, so don't type that in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure.